In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Firebase with AdMob. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns both your Firebase project and your AdMob account, and that your app already exists in Firebase. Keeping both the Firebase console and AdMob open in separate tabs will make this smoother. First, open the Firebase console and select the project that contains your app. This ensures all the settings and integrations we apply land in the right place. Once you're inside the project, look toward the top left for the gear icon. Click it to open settings, then choose project settings. This is the central hub for things like integrations, permissions, and project details. Inside project settings, find the integrations tab. This is where Firebase lets you connect to other Google products. Locate the AdMob card on this page. If you've linked AdMob before, you'll see a manage button. Go ahead and click that. If you haven't linked it yet, you may instead be prompted to choose a platform, like Android or iOS. Select the platform that matches the app you want to link. Next, you'll see a list of apps under your Firebase project. Find the specific app you want to connect to AdMob and click Link this app next to it. This step binds that Firebase app to your AdMob account so data like user engagement and monetization signals can work together. At this point, Firebase will hand you off to AdMob to complete the linking flow. Follow the prompts in AdMob carefully. Depending on your account, you might be asked to enable user metrics. That's normal. AdMob needs these metrics to power more accurate reporting and optimization. If you see that prompt, turn on user metrics to continue. If you're working with multiple apps or platforms, double-check you're linking the correct one to avoid mismatches later. Once you've completed the prompts, head inside your AdMob account to confirm everything is connected. In AdMob, go to Settings, then Linked Services. You should see the Firebase listed there. Open it and finalize the connection if there's a Finish or Confirm option. You're looking for a clear status indicator that shows the link is active for the app you selected. That's it. Your Firebase project and AdMob are now linked for the selected app. Give the dashboards a little time to sync and then enjoy more complete analytics and better monetization insights powered by both platforms.